Hello.
Hi.
Hi Amit. How are you?
हेलो।
आवाज नहीं आ रही क्लियर।
यदु का आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ यदु यदु is mute शायद. Hello यदु. No audio from his side and I don't think so. हाँ. Hi. Hi Amit.
Hi. Hi.
Oh.
So you're seeing the
Wait.
website, right?
Yeah, I'm just going to open your website. Wait. So tell me about your project and what you are going to do.
So my project basically a portable pollution mapping device.
Okay, wait. I need to.
Tanya?
Yes, I'm checking your web page. Like, have you uploaded your final project proposal?
No, I am just uploading the final present page documents.
So you haven't uploaded.
No, I'm just uploading it on my way.
Okay, and okay, so you are using template for website.
Yeah, I'm using a template for this. So I have downloaded from the ThemeLock website. This is a simple template in which I'm doing all these profiles there's a starting page in which there's a image over there, and from that if you click on the home, then it comes to the profile, all the images like profile, story, my documents, then assignments.
Okay. So okay,
And
so
if we go down,
downsides.
so all these things I've been made changes, so just have to push it. So it just 5-10 minutes I will going to push it all these things.
Okay, so do it fast.
Yes, I'm doing. Yes.
Okay,
So
and
should I explain the project?
yes. Uh,
ये कैसे मैं दिखाऊं हमको? बोलो.
कैमरा में दिखाना।
कैमरा में दिखाना. Are you able to see this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is our portable pollution mapping device. So
Okay.
it. एक minute. I'll send it to you on Telegram. Wait.
Okay, but don't forget to upload on website. Okay, tomorrow if your name come and we're not going to like check by camera, so upload it soon.
I'm sending it to you on Telegram.
Okay, I'm checking.
Okay.
The design is similar to your project.
Yeah, it's looking like Yogi's final project design.
No, there's a proposed design, but let's not be a final design actually. So
Okay,
we can
okay,
change the design for the requirement, right?
okay. So wait.
Yogesh is sending the image that I have made for this final
Okay.
project. So Yogesh, Yogesh has just sent the image.
Okay,
Can you
I'm
see it?
checking. Yeah. एक minute. I think this one. Okay. Okay. So
I'm going to explain. Okay.
yeah, tell me.
So on the left hand side, there are sensor 1, sensor 2, sensor 3, right? So
Correct.
they may. Are you able to hear?
Yeah. Go ahead.
So on the left hand side, if you see, there is a sensor 1, sensor 2, sensor 3. So there may be a different kind of sensor like dust sensor, pollution, temperature, humidity, noise, CO2, and NOx, all different kind of sensor, which will be
Okay.
attached, which will be attached to these devices. And these devices will be operated with the help of a microcontroller, anything like depend upon microcontroller like Mega 2560, all these things. And this thing could be like two things. It will be a basic IoT, like it will be a GSM shield or Wi-Fi, and you can also have a local storage. There's a section for the SD card slot. So if you don't have a like a GSM network around you, so you can temporarily store all the data that is collected by the sensor into the SD card.
Okay.
So along with that, we have like a real-time display with which you can see on the LCD. So whatever the sensor will sense the reading around the area where you are keeping this device. So you can also see the readings on the LCD, and there will be different modes which can be operated with the help of this keypad button, a simple keypad button.
Okay. No, I don't understand the use of keypad. Please tell me again.
So like if you want to store the data manually
Okay.
to the SD card, so there will be button one which will store the data to SD card. And if you want to send the data to the server, okay, so there will be press button two which will send the data to the server, like this.
Okay. I see.
So there will be different modes according to which you can operate this device. And there is a like a DC power supply switch, and USB
USB charging
cable
port.
B for the programming to the microcontroller.
Okay.
What are things you are measuring?
Hello.
Sensors.
Yadu is asking about sensors.
Hello.
What are things are you measuring? Which all sensors will be using?
Like the name or the sensor name, or just like CO2, NO2, or we want a detailed specification of the sensor.
I mean CO2, NO2, parts per million, like.
Yeah, the CO2 will be ppm, and NO2 also is ppm. So do you want to the sensor specification, like which model I am going to use, or just what are the
What are parameters are you measuring?
So my parameters are like dust, PM 2.5, PM 10, CO2,
No.
NO2.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe I think he is asking like what you are going to measure, like sound pollution, air pollution. Is it?
They will like I'm going to use air pollution and sound pollution. So I also have a like sound sensor which is going to measure the level and like loudness and all this intensity of the sound. So they will do air pollution and sound pollution.
Okay.
Okay. So actually, like how idea comes, like where you are going to use, what's the inspiration for this project?
The inspiration is the project from like I'm living in the area where there's a lot of pollution. The local community is also trying to get the support from the
I can't hear you properly.
They have some network problem, I think.
I think so, because the voice is not like coming properly.
the municipal corporation, how we can reduce they're going, then there is no use. So first of all, we should know how much quantity or the level of pollution is there on the surrounding.
Okay.
So for that, we should have a detection device which can actually tell us how much what is the level of the pollution around the area which you are living.
Okay. Amit, I think there is a. Yadu, can you hear?
I can hear.
Yeah, I can't.
Anyone downloading something?
No.
I mean,
Ask there. Okay. Amit, huh? Amit. Hello, Yogesh. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Amit, I think there is a internet issue or something. Is anyone downloading or doing some kind of work like uploading or downloading?
I don't think so, actually.
Because
No.
there is a lot of interruption while you are talking.
No. There's nothing downloading right now. Actually, everything has been stopped. Only just
Okay.
one tab is open.
Okay, okay, fine. So, do upload your web page and your project proposal soon.
Yeah, sure, sure. Today by
Um,
today, after
yeah.
1 hour, I will upload all the things. You will get.
Yeah, because what happen if if your name
Huh.
comes to random page and if you are not uploaded anything, then there is no use. He will actually not ask you anything. So do upload it soon. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Definitely, definitely.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Who is next? I think Gaurang is there.
Yeah, Gaurav.
Uh,
Yeah. I think Raj page is also
up.
ready.
Okay, I will check. Um, he updated about project proposal and the first assignment.
Yes. Assignments.
Checking. Wait.
Yeah. Both are ready.
Okay.
I'll call
Just
him.
okay, so we'll go with Raj first.
Okay. You can see his webpage, right?
Yeah. So
Okay.
I'm
That's perfect.
okay. Nice. Okay. He need to add some description about his project. Okay. Just call him. We'll talk to him.
Right. And even he has got his assignment complete, so you can check that also.
Okay. Great.
हेलो राज किधर है
Click on the 3-line icon. So he'll update the assignment picture or something of
Okay.
that sort on the icon, please.
Okay. And don't forget to remove unwanted link. Okay.
Yes.
So for everyone, like for Amit and for Raj and everyone.
Yeah. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Raj is here.
Okay. Hi.
Hey.
Hi. So I'm Pradnya and Yadu is there. He's from Trivandrum and I'm from Pune. Yeah. So tell me about yourself and your project. So I'm just sharing screen. I will open your page.
Okay, so my name is Raj and I work at Riddle Fab Lab as an innovation catalyst. My
Okay.
background is I'm a computer engineer and
Mhm.
currently I'm doing a part-time MBA as well in information management.
Okay. So what is your project for Fab Academy? Hello.
Hello? Yeah, can't hear your voice. Yeah.
Okay. So tell me about your final project.
Yeah, okay. So I thought of making a digital logbook. It is like digital logbook is the digitized version of a logbook, which is used to keep all the information about the machines and the materials that we use in the Fab Lab. Okay, so Riddle is one of the Fab Lab, and we here face various difficulty of usage of machines and the materials and the number of hours the machines are used by some person. So and there is a problem of unauthorized use as well. So I am thinking of creating a machine where you can access the machine, all the machines, by putting your fingerprints to first authorize yourself.
Yeah.
And then you can enter the detail, like which machine. Suppose you want to access a laser cutter machine for like 3 to 5 p.m. Okay, so you can enter that data, and the machine will check whether that machine laser cutter is available in that time slot for the particular day or not. And
Wow.
it will also log all the data Then later you can identify the usage as well. So
Mhm.
after we get all the data, I will put analytics tools in it to analyze the data, and will recommend like what is the recommended time for a
Mhm.
machine to keep cool and everything. Yeah.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah.
Interesting project.
Thank you.
Yeah. So here you have to just add little bit description about your project,
Okay.
and I think you need to like explain about your like the design. So
Sure.
you just draw the box, and so just like Amit like put like sensor is there and USB supply is there. So just
Hello.
mention that in the drawing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Sorry. Yeah.
So update your page with like more detailing about your final project. So what
Okay.
you tell about okay. Then
Okay.
some modification in final like that rough sketch.
Okay.
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 Okay. I will just check your assignment again.
Pradnya,
Yes.
we have a similar project here. Like
Oh,
instead of
RFID,
fingerprint,
you know.
yeah, RFID. Instead of
Yes.
fingerprint, you use RFID.
Yeah. So we have 3 RFID projects, no?
It's kind of dark.
Yeah, so actually we will take one instructor meeting and we will decide like as per Neil's suggestion we'll work with a like a collaborative project or something.
Okay.
Okay.
So total 3 project is there same like RFID.
Actually,
Yeah.
Raj is not using RFID.
Yeah, he is using biometric or something. What?
Yeah,
Yeah,
he'll be using
fingerprint.
biometric sensor. So
Okay.
he'll record the fingerprint of each user, and then according to biometric identity, he will match.
But
He will
yeah,
get.
but you need to add like if new person is there then you need to add them for the biometric like authentication or something.
Yes,
How
yes,
can
yes. For every new user, you have to register with the system.
okay. Actually, 2 projects we have a similar kind of like from Kochi and from Trivandrum.
Okay.
Yeah, their objectives are same. Two guys uses RFID, one uses
Biometric.
biometrics.
Yeah.
Also the same.
Yeah, ultimately they are for the same thing.
Okay. So assignment.
और इजी वाला ले और भी इजी वाला प्रोजेक्ट ले ले
So,
I think
Pratnya, do I have to modify my project, or do I have to change the project?
no. You keep it with your project. Just add something like make it more descriptive
Okay.
in
Okay.
final project.
Okay.
So because all 3 guys are doing like different things, but 2 are doing with RFID and you are doing with biometrics, so it's okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I think there is a internet issue with my side. Can you please open your page and share your screen?
Screenshot. Okay, I'll do that.
इधर से
Okay.
यहाँ से राज की हाँ यही है ना आपका
ये है ना?
हाँ तो हैंगआउट्स में जाके स्क्रीन शेयर कर
इधर.
इधर इधर हैंगआउट्स में
On left side there is a green tab with screen share. There is an arrow inside it.
Yeah. They're doing that. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello Abhijit.
Just stop, right?
Okay, have you updated your page and project?
Yeah. So this is the screen. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Can you see it? Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
So start with the video of the lesson. Yeah.
Mhm.
Lesson 1, and then there's a title, and then I have written make your own website. Like I have written technology used, framework used, everything, and then I have written about the editor that I am using currently, and the advantages of using that editor, and these are the steps to create the website. So first I'll understood the requirement, and then created specification from the requirement, and I created a layout, and I showed it to Yogesh to confirm the layout of the website, and then I downloaded software and framework to start the development.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I have one suggestion. Like
Yeah.
you have to write the assignment like you are telling a story, or like
Okay.
so this format is good, but you need to write what the problem you face and how you create, and screenshot you need to add.
Yeah, these are the screenshots.
वो line एक के बीच में बनाया था.
All right.
Okay, so yeah, like by using Git, so scroll down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
this-
what I'll do, I'll rearrange this. Like after the point, I will put the screenshot, and then after the next point, I will put again another screenshot.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
make it more descriptive. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
both like assignment and final project,
Yeah. Okay.
or you can see another. You can refer that.
Refer what?
Refer other students' web pages, like see their assignments.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll do that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then just update as per suggestion and upload it soon.
Yeah. All right. I'll do it today only. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So Yogi, who is next?
Gaurang is here.
Okay. Hi. So, okay. So tell me about your project. So have you uploaded?
Yes, I've uploaded it.
Okay, I'm just.
Is it visible?
Yeah, I'm checking.
Upload नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ. हम देखो कैसे दिख रहा है आज.
You are seeing. Should I start explaining about the
Yes.
project a bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Right now, what I've decided is I'll be working on a smart water bottle cap. So basically, why this project? Because a lot of people like working, like we all youngsters here working here in a lab, we always tend to drink less water during the day. So there are lots of projects which happened on this front, but I don't think any like project has really scaled up. So what wanted to do is this is just like the first draft, first sketch which I did. So basically there will be a Arduino LilyPad, there will be a battery, there will be a Bluetooth module, and there will be a mobile application wherein these all will the Bluetooth module will communicate via the mobile to the user of that bottle, and the user will get notified on particular time durations whenever he has to drink water, and based on the water consumption his health parameters will be determined. So I'll be fetching data from other projects which have been done in the past, and I'll be building on this project.
Okay. So you are going to use like Arduino LilyPad in it.
Yes.
Okay. So there is still confusion about commercial board. So we need
I
to
think he
check.
can use only commercial boards only. I mean, if there is some other electronics part, he can use. But is there anything else?
So no, I'm confused about like in final project we can use commercial board
Yeah, but they won't be evaluated as his his work.
on there.
His code
Yeah.
will be evaluated, but not the board. The electronics part will not be evaluated.
So the student need to make a different board for that particular assignment for electronics
Maybe
production or
controller,
something.
he can
Or
make
what I can do is
controller.
what I can do is I can take an independent controller and I can pair it up with the Bluetooth module and then do the work instead of
Yeah.
using a Lily.
Yeah, so like change that from using a lily pad, your own controller board or something like that.
Okay, fine, fair enough. I can do that.
Okay. And also update your first assignment page.
Yeah, I have already posted. I think that.
I can't
Can you
see.
see that? I made a small sketch also.
No, in final project I can't see the sketch. There is a blank space in between.
No, actually, I have uploaded the sketch.
Okay, I will refresh it.
पूरा है क्या? I can show it to you. Yeah.
किधर गया काम का बता
Yeah, so basically, what I will do is I will use standard Bisleri bottles which are available, and we'll be tweaking the caps, and the circuit will be fitted inside the cap, and they will have a small round battery along with. Initially, I mentioned lily pad, and the Bluetooth module will be all clubbed together as a sandwich, and it will be put inside the cap. And there will be a 3D printed. There will be a 3D printed fixture which will go between the water, like the water and the circuit. So it will protect the circuit from getting damaged. Should I repeat that, or did you get it? I can't hear you.
I think you have.
I have muted.
I can't hear you.
So can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah. So can you please repeat it again because I was interrupted because of some work.
Okay, so the water bottle cap will have like two sections. One will be open to the water side and one will be having the electronics. There will be a 3D printed like fixture which will go between the circuit and the water part. So that will protect the electronic circuitry, and the Bluetooth module, the battery, round battery, and the circuit lily pad, for example, that will be like clubbed together as a sandwich. So that will do the communications with the mobile app. So the mobile app will actually notify the user whether he has to drink water. Is he drinking excess water, like all sufficient water, and it will plan his schedule accordingly every day.
Okay, understood. So Bluetooth module will connect with phone or something smartwatch or any device.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So actually, there are like a lot of people who are suffering from kidney stone problems and like other various issues. So we have two people in our office itself, Amit and Raj. So this app may be helpful for them.
Yeah, you can document this thing in your page.
Yeah, pardon?
You can document this thing, like you can refer both person to your.
Be helpful. Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah. Okay. Okay then. Nice.
Yeah. Okay.
So Lavina is there, I think. No, she's.
Yeah, Lavina is connecting remotely. Yeah.
So many tests.
Hi, Lavina.
Don't live in a.
Hello.
Hi.
Can you just give me a minute?
Yeah.
The connection has some problem.
Okay.
This is
Hi.
Hi.
I've just uploaded my website. So,
Okay. First, tell me about yourself and what are you doing and where are you?
okay. I'm a biomedical engineer working as a product designer presently. Remotely doing a course from Ahmedabad this month.
Mm-hmm.
So I work for a company called Creer, where I design a computing range, which are handheld size CPU systems and combination keyboard systems for now.
Okay.
So into my course, I'm going to design a toy for an autistic child.
Okay.
So I'll just help get.
Okay. Actually, I can't see your web page, and
Okay.
so you haven't uploaded.
No, I haven't uploaded.
So
Could you give me 10 minutes and I'll upload and get back to you, or I'll share my screen
okay.
till then?
Okay, so for now you can share your screen, and after that you can upload your work. No problem.
Okay. Just a minute. Uh, where is the screen?
On left side there is a green tab with arrow. There is a screen share.
It's just some network problem here. Uh, okay. Can you guys see the screen?
No, I can't.
Okay.
You go here. Can you see my cursor? This icon.
Okay. It's just not showing. Okay, actually, I'm connected on both my phone and my laptop, so
Okay,
I guess that's giving a problem.
Okay, if you need some time, you take it. We will go with Vigyan Ashram then. Till then, okay.
Okay.
Once you are done, just text here or tell us.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Abhijit. Yes. I can't see you properly. No one. Okay. Hello.
How do I disconnect from the phone to get back on? Because
It's super dark in there.
Dark room.
The camera on the other side.
Okay. So, hello, Abhijit. Can you hear? You are mute, Abhijit.
Can you?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So, I will open your website. Just wait. I'm just. Abhijit. Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Okay. First assignment. Okay, tell us about your project first.
So the project, my project is designing a geodesic door. We have a unique situation where you have a hostel which has a weak structure. So cannot build over that structure because it's weak. So geodesic dome being very light structure, Yogesh Kulkarni sir instructed me to construct a geodesic dome on that, so that people can stay in there. Uh,
Okay.
so that is what the basis of the project is. So the geodesic dome will mostly cover the parts of molding and casting and composing. Also designing 2D designing for prototyping, 3D designing for
Okay.
prototyping will be covered. As far as electronics is concerned, I'm planning to make the windows, uh, I mean, automation of the windows, and also I'm planning to put some motion sensing lights so that we can have some energy saving over there.
Okay. So you are going to make your dome with wood or what?
So that is what I'm saying. Composite. I will be using composites. So I have listed out some material like clay, cow dung. Already there is ferrocement being used at Vigyanar.
No, no. I'm asking about your structure. You are talking about that the ferrocement you are replacing with the composites, correct?
Yes, yes.
Frame,
So,
frame.
yeah, frame. Frame is a proper word. Yes. So,
No. Pradnya, you got me.
yeah.
So the geodesic domes, it's a modular structure, right? So it is going to have panels. So it's like Lego structure, right? It interlocks with itself and then forms a structure.
No, I'm just asking you the frame material. You are going to do with a metal. With like right now in Vigyan Ashram we have dome with that metal triangle. Okay, the
Yes.
frame. So I'm asking about frame.
Okay. So in my geodesic dome, there won't be a frame. There will be panels.
Panels. Okay.
So those panels will be made of composite material. So now the panels will be having compressive force, tensile force in it, right? So in order to overcome that, I have to use composites. So something like fiberglass, which is a good tensile material, clay, which is a good
Okay. Hello, Abhijit. Hello. I think he lost connectivity.
Maybe.
Yeah. So actually, I don't actually not understand what he's talking about the frame and panels. I'm confused.
Wait, I mean, there won't be frames. Wait.
Okay. Ha, Abhijit.
uh, so the whole panels will be made of composites, right? So there is no frame structure. It's think of it as a Lego structure. So the Lego the frames are going to interlock, and then they are going to form.
Okay. Okay.
No frame on the top. Something like this. It's a self.
Ha.
This is a dome which don't have a frame as such.
So you are going to make it like this, Abhijit?
I can't see clearly. Yeah, okay, something like this. Oh yes.
You can touch on the tab. You will get full screen.
Yeah, I'm doing the same. Yeah, it's the idea is same, right?
So you okay?
The idea is same. Okay. Now these are made out of frame, and there is some kind of a joinery in there. So that joinery itself will be in the panels.
Okay, understood. Now I'm clear.
Right? Yeah.
Okay.
So there is no frame structure.
Okay. Okay.
Why there is no frame?
Abhijit.
Yeah, can I answer that?
Yeah. Go
Yeah.
ahead.
Okay. So basic idea of this is that the geodesic dome should be portable, right? So you can dismantle it put it in a truck or in a and take it to some other location, and then you can set it up some 4 or 5 people. So if you have frames, you'll have more components. So I'm trying to reduce the number of components. So I'm trying to get the frame shell, the outer skin of the dome into one component.
Then in that case, how you will ensure the strength and bonding of two different components together?
There are structures available which are obviously, so geodesic first of all is a self-supporting structure, right? Hello.
Yeah, okay, I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah. So it itself, geodesy itself is a self-supporting structure. The joinery will be such that all the loads. Am I clear, Yogesh?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. But so I think you have gone through the Fab Academy, all the certificates, the assignments in coming weeks, right? And what all it includes, like what all your project covers.
So yeah, so first of all, in 2D and 3D designing, I will be making prototypes. I have to fix the structure, fix the shape of the panels. For this, I have to make prototypes made out of cardboard. So I mean the computer-aided cutting, computer-aided designing will be covered in that. Again, molding, casting will be covered in that. Composites will be covered, right? Then again, as I said to Pradnya, I will be including input output devices and programming when I make the windows, the automation of the windows. So that will be covered there. I'm also planning to include motion sensing lights in there. Also, if I have time, I will be making a prototype. So it will have, it'll be basically a scaled down model of the actual life size geodesic dome. So that will be covered.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but I don't think the process of making this like prototyping, etc., will be considered when it comes to final project. The final project itself should have all of the stuff like laser, 3 machining process.
Okay, so only the computer-aided cutting will be done. I mean, computer-aided cutting will be covered in prototyping stage. In the final project.
The computer-aided cutting only.
But now you have something?
Yes, I'm checking. Wait. Okay, I will first share a screen.
You'll have to improvise anyway because just include computer-aided cutting. Okay, so some sort of you'll be making panels and you're planning to have composites.
Less scope for the electronics, and actually Fab Academy is based on electronics and like so. I think we need to talk to Frank as well about this project.
No.
Yes. Suhas.
So we discussed a lot on this project, and I figured out all the assignments will be included inside.
No, Suhas, bit louder.
Can't hear anything.
What?
We cannot hear you.
Okay. So we already planned how we can figure out all the assignment or how we can include all the assignment inside that final project. Okay. So for composite, he is making the panels. Okay. And then for input and output devices, He's making a circuit that can sense a motion or something. Okay. Also include the programming and all.
Okay. So for laser cutting and 3D printing.
Laser cutting and for 3D printing, he will make a prototype of that model. Okay. So just to figure out a small prototype to figure out all the functions and all.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. If anything, I will mail you or share you
Yeah.
on Telegram.
Fine. Pradnya, anything about the website?
Yeah, I'm checking. Uh, okay, just arrange page properly. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Huh? Else you update. Yeah. Okay. Just arrange your page properly. And yeah, more descriptive and same suggestion as per morning. Have you explained about this image, red, green, yellow?
I've put a caption. So no, I have not described it.
So describe it, otherwise remove it. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Okay then. Okay. Thank you, Abhijit. So Arundhati is there?
Hello, Praveen.
Hello Arundhati. Okay, Arundhati. Hello.
Yes.
So okay, tell about your project.
My project is Solar Tracker. Plus, with the help of Solar Tracker, the application model is incinerator. In food medical waste is not a reusable.
Arundhati, can't hear you.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Solar Tracker with solar incinerator. It is Solar Tracker.
Okay.
In that, I use a super capacitor. Solar means tracking system. When we can't use any tracking system, at that time, after each 10 minutes, we have to rotate that solar panel.
Okay.
Use in my project rather than battery, a super capacitor solar panel.
Okay. So after tracking solar rays, you are going to use to dispose anything or?
I use for incinerator.
Okay.
To dispose of medical waste.
Okay. So what is your plan? How you are going to make?
Okay.
With
Input and output devices, the solar energy is my input and the output is super capacitor is my input and the output is the tracking system. Using Arduino, I also track. That means I take a trial and error.
No. Can you explain again?
I use super capacitor as
Okay.
input, means our input assignment, input device assignment. I work on super capacitor in input devices and output is our tracking and the incinerator application. Then for laser cutter, I make a box for that controller, box cutting.
Okay.
Okay.
Why
I
do
get
you
a
use
very very
super capacitor?
yes. I because the battery is taken too
She is
much
going to
time.
use super capacitor she is not going to use battery, but she is going to use super capacitor for that in that case.
Because it
So it
quickly
is not
charge and
input
quickly
Yeah,
device,
but it's
right?
not. It's not an
Yeah.
input device that
Yeah.
you have to.
It should be some light sensor or something. The input device.
Yes.
So if
I
you
use
go
a
deep into the electronics, the capacitor is just a passive device which stores charge and then gives out the charge. So it's just like a battery. So as you can't consider a battery as an input device, in the same manner you can't consider capacitor as an input device. That is just a passive component which will do some function, something like a diode, something like resistor. It will just block the current. It will just store the charge. You can't consider that as input device. Okay.
I use another technique, that is the photovoltaic cell. I measure the potential difference. Photovoltaic cell. If the difference is there, then I rotate that solar panel to that.
Aruna, can you please
Yeah,
scroll down?
What?
Scroll down.
Yeah. Yeah. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Photovoltaic cell is upside. Then when for Arundhati, for rotation, you are going to for tracking, you are going to use any motor or something.
She is using a motor as
So so motor can be output. Motor can be output device. But it will how it will track? Is it a sensor or you are using some timer?
She is using the solar panels.
No. For tracking, she are going to use timer or she is going to sense something.
She'll be using two solar panels, and the difference between the two solar panel voltages, she will process the output of the two solar panel and make the difference out of it. And according to the difference, according to the delta voltage, they will rotate the motor. Is it right, Arundhati? Hello, Arundhati?
Hello?
Is it right what I have mentioned? I think they can't hear me.
Maybe. Arundhati? Hello. Suhas.
So the thing is that super capacitor is not available in India. I mean the
Green tea, orange.
Hello, Yogi. Mute.
Oh, sorry. Bola.
Arundhati.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear us?
Yeah, don't worry about the super capacitor, but you can make it. You can always make it. Yeah, Suhas, I can hear you.
I think again they lost connectivity.
Achha, let's start with Lavina. I think she's waiting.
Okay.
She is there on network.
Okay.
So Lavina, can you hear us? Can you present? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, go ahead.
So for the final project, I'm planning to do a toy for an autistic child. So the whole idea was, can you guys see the screen now?
No, not yet.
Okay. Okay. Can you see the screen now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the idea of this is autistic children really need some kind of toy where the visual power is very high, so they need something which has a lot of variation. So the element chosen was surprise. Into that you can see that star was the basic element chosen as surprise. So the star is broken into a complex geometry structure where you will get to have various combination patterns. So every time you plug a wing to the star via the magnetic connection, it will play or hit some light or an audio output, or you'll get a laser projection or something of that kind. So every time you're attaching the complex geometry to the main body, you can see
Okay.
an output which will be something like an audio output. So for calculating this, the star is a five winged structure that I'm using. So say suppose you consider an input which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the main body, and you've connected the wings in a combination of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You get an LED display, and if you connect it in 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, you'll get an audio. Uh, so this is the basic idea. So using inputs as a magnetic locking or a Lego system to the star, I want to create different combinations. But the whole complexity that I'm presently facing is there are too many combinations to code. So if I do front back, I'll have more than 3,000 40 ways to have an output, which could be very difficult for a person like me because I'm not from an electronics background. So I plan to go only with the front. Then I concluded that I'll go with something like a 120 combination. But again, that's also a lot. And I just started reading on Arduinos this week, and there are some boards which probably can give you 8 to 16 to 14 different outputs I can connect. So I'm still learning about it. So there was an idea that I could probably come down to 30 outputs and repeat them so that I get 120 different combinations for the whole Lego system to work.
Okay, so you have to connect these petals of the heart, petals of the star, and
Yeah.
according to the number of.
So can you see one connected to one, two connected to two, three connected to three? So every time you magnetically connect one to one, and you complete the whole Lego system, it will give you an output. So probably all the five wings will show you lights played, or
Okay.
probably there will be a polyphonic tone which plays out. So the autistic child will really have a good visual perception, which is a basic problem in their toys.
Okay. Okay.
So into their
So
therapy, they use these kids are used to arranging things in a linear pattern. So they have toys where they teach them to arrange things in radial patterns or different patterns. So this will even help them develop a better motor skill to experience.
okay. So have you given a thought on how you will define the connection is connected to one or two or three, something else like that? So consider the green petal is there and which is
Yeah,
connected
yeah.
to one
To the
right
main
now,
body.
right?
Right.
To the main body, it's connected to one.
Right.
But when that kid will connect it to two or three or some other number,
Yeah.
how you are planning to detect that?
So see, I
Any idea?
initially started with using a different Arduino in each wing, but that was becoming complex. So there are two ways that I planned it. That either use a different Arduino for each wing, so that I can code them and connect them to the main body, and by doing all of that, I reached to this conclusion. Or you have the whole controller in the main body, and each one of them is just an electronic circuit. Uh, So I need some more time to figure out how it will work. I'm totally new to electronics.
Okay. For quick suggestion, I can suggest you that you can use different resistor combination in
Okay.
different each of the wings.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So can you open it? Yeah. Okay. So on the green, maybe you use 1 kilo resistor, and on two you can use 2 kilo, 3 kilo, 4 kilo, 5 kilo. Okay. This is just random numbers that I'm giving.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you can use Arduino in the stem, which is in the center, in the body. Okay.
Right.
And then when somebody will connect that petal to the main body, it will calculate the total resistance.
Okay.
Okay.
And via that a different output will be generated.
Yeah. So you have to make some arrangement which matlab in the body there are 1 2 3 4 number again. So you can make some ports which are connected in parallel, some ports which are connected in series, and according to
Right.
that you can figure out what's the amount of total equivalent resistance of all the
Right.
5 petals, and according to that you can judge ki in what pattern they are connected.
Okay.
So maybe that's a quick suggestion.
Okay. I'll try that.
Okay. So you study about the resistor networks, how resistors are connected in series, what will be the equivalent resistance, when they are connected in parallel, what will be the
Yeah,
equivalent
so I am
resistance.
versed with the series combinations, but I never thought of using a resistive combination. I was thinking on some different line.
Yeah. This is a way you can check that problem out.
Okay.
One more thing you can do is maybe you can use mm, different power of magnets.
Different power of magnets. Okay.
Yeah, so then you have to use Hall effect sensor inside the main stem.
Okay.
Okay, measure the total magnetic fluxes, and according to that you can
Manipulate
manipulate the results.
the combinations.
Yeah, that is a bit
What
complex
about using
method.
what about using a simple magnetic lead switch?
Yeah, reed switch is the nice option, but then again, you just can't define which petal is connected where, because everywhere you will use reed switch, and reed switch is
Right.
like a digital thing, right? You
Right.
can't actually judge whether there is a magnet of 5 power or whether there is a magnet of 10 power is there connected.
Right.
Right? So you have to have some analog thing involved in the circuit.
What about splitting these parts? Like you can see a positive,
Yeah,
negative.
so now when I can see this image now, I can give you one more suggestion. You can use light color sensor also.
Okay.
So
A color sensor.
color sensor, yeah.
Okay.
That's one option available.
Okay.
So maybe what you can do is for your Fab Academy project, you use 4 different sensors, one with resistor, one with so at every node like 1 2 3 4, you will use some
Yeah.
4 different sensors. So you will be exploring 4 different sensors in your Fab Academy, and then while designing
Yeah.
your final project, you can select one. And for the
Yeah. So
Fab
that was the
Academy, you
plan.
can
The 5 wings were also planned so that I could 3D print some. I could laser cut a couple of them. Try CNC on the others.
right. No, I was talking about the electronic
So
or
same
sensing
with
part of it.
electronics also. Okay.
Yeah, so you can use a 5 different methods to detect them, and then through
Right.
the electronics week you will be covering 5 different sensors. So that will be
Right.
value add for your assignments, and that will be value add for, and it will gain you extra credits as well.
Okay. Fine. I will do that.
Yeah. And regarding machining, you can use laser cut, and it's better to do with 3D printer.
Yeah. But
So
the
you can.
screens, like for the output to be seen, the screens will have to be lasered, right?
Yeah.
So that's the plan for now.
Okay.
With the website, I still need to push another file into it so that it can upload the version 2. I'll do that in another hour or so.
Yeah. Okay. But do
Yeah,
it.
that was my second point. That is what I'm
Yeah.
going to ask you because I just can't see. I can see your website, but there is no content in it.
Yeah, because the file was too heavy, it was not getting. It couldn't be pushed with the internet limits I have here, so I'll do that.
Okay. One more quick suggestion for you, Lavina, is you try to compress all the images that you have, and then upload.
Okay.
So it's safe to use 600 pixels for maximum width or the height. That's not a problem.
Right. Okay.
Even if you use 600 pixel, it's quite visible in every damn device that you use. Okay, so don't push 2-3 MB images. Just try to compress them around 130 kbs or something. 30 kbs is ideal size. Not more than 200. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I think we have done with Riddle, no? Yogi?
Yes. We're done with Riddle.
Okay. So
Lavina, any questions, comments about your project or any general topic?
No, I am just a little confused with the whole thing happening at the last moment. So I'm still fixing things. I guess in the next week I'll be in a better shape.
Okay, cool, no problem.
Yeah. Thank you.
Please mute.
okay. So Vigyan Ashram. Hello, Dipali, you are there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So so have you updated project and all?
Yes, but
What?
I have a little bit problem in a kidney. That document.
Yeah, discuss here. So you will get quick solution.
Actually, Tanya,
Huh.
internet, so it's taking the time. Okay, update with body.
Hello. Yeah. So internet is a problem.
Yeah. It's taking the time.
Okay. So by tomorrow, all will update now.
I think at the 12 o'clock, 12 noon. Okay. So we can
Okay. Okay. Okay, then no problem. Hello, Yogi.
Yes.
Is there anything to discuss or share or anything?
No, nothing from my side.
Okay. Yeah. So one announcement is remaining. So maybe the Fab Lab Bombay is not taking part for Fab Academy.
Correct. Yeah.
So from next Tuesday, we will have hangouts in common time. That is in morning 10:30.
Morning 10:30. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So
I'll inform everyone.
Yeah. So that's the thing. And yeah. Have you made one tab for review on our website?
Yes. It's there.
So Yadu will share the link. So you just have to put it there. The attendance and the review.
I have already added the link there also. Is this the sheet? I'll just share my screen.
Okay.
Yeah, is this the screen? Sheet?
Yeah, just wait. Yeah. Yes, this is the attendance sheet. Yeah. So you need to add this and our review video as well.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay then.
So Yadu will share the review videos, right? Yadu,
Yeah.
are you recording?
Yes.
Okay. Keep posting all these video links.
Okay.
Okay then.
Then what else?
Nothing.
Acha, what's is there any mechanism that we figuring out for tracking the student attendance or something? or just we have to record it manually?
Yeah, we have to record it in that Excel sheet which I have shared.
Okay, okay. But
So
what
we
about
have-
the lectures, the Wednesday lectures?
Yeah, for that, I'm thinking to make one local attendance sheet too, which will maintain
Okay,
in lab, because the Wednesday lecture
okay.
and Thursday local session, for both we need attendance.
Yeah, Thursday local session we have to record it manually, right?
Yeah.
And my just concern with the Wednesday lectures.
Yeah. For Wednesday lecture, I think
That we
every
have to figure it out. Let's add another sheet here
Hmm.
after official documents or something, and then we can call it as lecture attendance.
So you are saying we need to make two different sheets for lecture attendance and review attendance.
Yeah,
Okay. We can copy that sheet.
yeah,
Just
we
rename
can
it
just copy
and
down that sheet.
rename it. Yeah.
Yeah, or else what we can do is we have 22 different weeks, but that will be too heavy. We can add one more column beside the principle and practices. Something like this. Oh, I don't have edit access. Okay.
You have.
But I can't. Oh, okay. No, I don't have edit access.
Okay.
Or else I have. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, I have another sheet. Okay, so here we can add another column saying lecture attendance. We can merge these two. Let's copy. Merge. And fine.
Will it be complicated or something?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I think we will make different sheet.
Okay, because that will be too. This will be too much.
Yeah, and it will create some confusions. So we will copy this sheet and rename with the class lecture.
Or otherwise, in the assignment status, add one more status if they have attended the Wednesday lecture or not.
So,
So we need to add 3, and if all present, then we can.
So sure, there will be combinations like some will be 2, some will be 3.
Yeah.
But anyway, if someone didn't attend this assignment, also there will be 2 and 0 and 1 and 0. So if it is okay, we can have one more, like 3 for Wednesday lectures also.
Yeah. What do you think, Yogi?
Yeah, I think that is a good option.
We can add one combination.
Yeah, and just total them at the end to track the attendance.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
okay, let's do that then. Let's do that.
So tomorrow we have to connect in MCUC, right?
No, for lab you have to connect from MCU.
What?
And for individuals there are MCUC.
No, the last mail says
Neil has changed it. The primary channel has been changed to MCUC and the secondary one to MCU, and he has changed the pin also.
Yeah, actually, number of ports available with MCU is little less than number of students or the number of labs we have. So we have to use secondary channel, that is MCUC.
Okay.
Yeah, he changed it, and he has also emailed us everyone.
Yeah, I haven't checked.
And the new pins are also there. Yeah.
Okay.
The pins. So tomorrow it's the lab has to log in from MCUC.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay then.
So what was the discussion going on for the projects that we have at Riddle, or else that there are some projects which are going which are overlapping with one another. So what we have to do with that?
Yeah, actually, in morning, Sibu and we are like discussing we can do as a collaborative, but there is a lot of challenges to complete the project because
But I don't think it will be practical. At last, it won't be practical, I think. Collaborating project.
yeah, but how it is?
Yeah, even same with me, because collaborative project will be not feasible as like Trivandrum lab is somewhere else and Mumbai lab is somewhere else, and even Vigyan Ashram is somewhere else. So you can just share the digital files, digital codes, whatever you have. But what about the physical things?
No, I think they can do like some part create in Kochi, some part made in like in Trivandrum. So that can be okay.
But I think student will not get exposure to all the skills. For example,
That's
if
the thing.
Mumbai lab is writing code for the circuit, and Trivandrum lab is making casing and all the hardware for the thing, and then lab will be the students at the Mumbai lab. They'll be just get expertise in coding, right? And the Trivandrum lab will just get expertise in 3D cutting and digital fabrication. So
Okay, they have
I think we should not go with that. So maybe what we can do is we can pitch the collaborative projects within the labs. So maybe two students at a Trivandrum lab, they can group together and they can make the final project. I think
that
that's
is
the feasible
already in
idea.
place. Like last time also we could have done that, but they both of them has to individually document what their contribution is, and they have done all these different machining stuff and all. So this time I think Frank mentioned in some mail that they're planning to give extra credit for collaborating between two labs, but uh, but maybe they plan that for very big projects, and where part of everything can be split between the labs, even if it is not like just coding and maybe electronics in Pune and then the casing and the other mechanical stuff in Trivandrum. Maybe the mechanical stuff itself can be divided in two ways, and some made in Kochi. Then the same thing has to be replicated in both labs. So finally, there will be two products, one in Pune and one in Trivandrum, like that. The same thing, but produced in both labs.
Okay.
I think that is what they are planning. But in tomorrow's prep,
They are going to discuss.
So both the lab has to. Yeah, they have to replicate the things.
Yeah, I think so. That is what I think.
Okay.
By tomorrow evening, we'll get more clarity. Maybe we can wait till then.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm also confused between collaborative projects. If students need to do individually each and everything, then what is the exactly meaning of collaborative project? So maybe we'll know by tomorrow preparation. I think.
Yeah, by tomorrow evening, let's.
Yeah, we'll wait till then.
More clarity.
No problem.
So another thing is that in electronics part, the students has only one option, Arduino. I mean, maybe some, I don't know why. Like they don't know. I think they don't know what is Arduino or how to use a microcontroller alone, etc. For everything, all uses Arduino.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easy to use. Documentation is nice. Community is very huge, and it's the only one microcontroller which is available. Like not microcontroller, the IDE which is available.
Yeah.
Cheap, like kind of open source.
Even I have one doubt. If like student going to use Arduino for final project, then what they are going to exactly develop in electronics assignment, which board
No,
and
actually, just not consider this as Arduino. Let's ask them to make their own Arduino boards, build their own Arduino boards, and then use them. Otherwise,
many people didn't know that Arduino is an IDE. They think this is something like chip or this is something something a board, like
Yeah, let's educate them.
Yadu, can you please mute Lavina?
okay.
Yeah.
So, I mean, many people didn't know that Arduino is an IDE. I think it's something else, like it's a chip or it's something.
Easy to
some
do.
kind of board. Yeah.
Yeah, so let's educate them.
Yeah.
Tell them what's the Arduino. Let's make one circuit.
Mhm.
Let's make one simple circuit like the open dot lab made something like Fabduino.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
They
just
just
circulate
want
the board.
Yeah, they just need to know that this is not a modular board or something like that. It is just an ID and it can be used to program different chips. And they themselves can and will be able to manufacture their own custom board after this Fab Academy. They should know that at
Correct.
this level itself so that they can plan properly for their project. For
Correct.
example,
Even
the other guy
yeah.
has mentioned Lily
Lily
pad
pad.
Lily pad.
for project description. He should have mentioned just that he will be
Microcontroller.
using a microcontroller, and it is up to his wish if he is going to use Arduino or AVR-C or anything. Just the microcontroller. He thinks that Arduino is a kind of a board or something of that sort.
Right.
We can just let them know that it is not like that. It's an IDE. You can program anything with that, or there is a variety of options to program.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
So
So even Junaid is working with very nice microcontroller known as Node MCU.
Yeah.
And
There
he's
are many
conducted that workshop in Fan 3 during Fan 3.
Node
So
MCU
in
ESP, right?
Yeah. So ESP8266 is the main chip. So which is quite available in India. So you can.
Major issue with this is that if you want to fabricate in our lab, the pad size of the ESP8266 is very little. So it's so
I think Modella can do that task. That's not the difficult for Modella.
Oh, he's not mentioning the breakout board, but the chip, the controller inside the
controller inside the ESP.
Yeah, I know. I understood. I am using 8266 for my other project, and for which I made the board. So actually, I didn't make it using Modella, but I will definitely try making it milling with the milling machine.
I was thinking to do with teaching thing, but still.
Yeah, I think you should try with Modella. It will work.
Bit is a problem. Precision bit.
Like that's the standard package of 8266, which HC05, which is the Bluetooth module which comes in. It's the same.
8266 is it's like a what should I say? There is a Arduino board, right? The one that comes Arduino board.
No. 8266 is the chip. Wait. Let me show you.
No, his project was also on 8266.
Yeah, I have also used it. Arduino ESP8266 is something like Arduino Uno. It is based on. It is made using a microcontroller. If you remove that shield.
Okay. You're talking about that. Okay. Okay.
So, like, actually, we can use ESP8266 as a microcontroller also. Yes. But last
Yes.
time
That is what I'm trying to say. If someone want to use Arduino to program these chips, so this is the 8266. So you have GPIO pins as well as some communication pins.
Yeah.
And on top of that, you have Wi-Fi. So you can make very nice IoT projects. And
yeah, if you remove that shield,
with Arduino.
Yeah, if you remove that shield, you can see the actual controller and the Wi-Fi thing inside it. Okay.
Yeah, this is the thing. Yeah.
Fab Academy, we are only supposed to use that, not this board. They won't recognize it as our work. That is a main issue.
Should use another micro.
But you can use this now, which is there on my screen. Can you see that?
Last time I also used this, but I clubbed it with another microcontroller, basically which 328, and then made my project. But Node MCU uses the microcontroller inside the ESP itself.
Yeah, Node. Yeah.
Good
So
alternative.
this is the Node MC, kind of Node MCU. This is the thing.
Yeah, Node MCU. Yeah, Node MCU uses ESP8266 and the controller inside it. So unfortunately, Fab Academy will not consider that as our work because all the thing is ready-made. It is a nice alternative, but we cannot use it. And like they
have
will.
to fabricate like
Yeah, you can see the chip inside there. That is the actual controller.
Correct, but you can make some circuit out of this. Say, consider you are making IoT LilyPad, so you can connect Arduino's LEDs to GPIO 14 to 15, and then GPIO 2. You can hook up different LEDs. You hook up different motors and relays, and then you can make switch. So that will be considered as final project now.
Last time they asked to have a separate controller board made by ourselves. So that forced me to not use the controller in ESP8266, but to depend on something outside, like the 328, Atmega 328. I didn't use the ESP8266 controller. I just used it for accessing Wi-Fi as a Wi-Fi access point. Just used it as a Wi-Fi access point, and all the processing was done by Atmega 328.
Okay.
That might become an issue, but I don't know. We can ask Francisco or someone.
Yeah, correct.
So that's it.
Yeah, should we conclude? Yeah,
we can conclude maybe.
Yeah, Pradnya, are you? Pradnya, are you there?
She was.
Okay, let's conclude then.
Okay, let's conclude. See you tomorrow. Bye.